Hi friends, Mr. Shimczyk here with a first grade subtraction strategy, actually two strategies. And as I shared in the sorting video, there are 6 main strategies that I like to teach, and I like to teach them in a certain progression. So the first 2 strategies, which involve taking away 0 and taking away all, are not new learning. It's just that the numbers are no longer within 5. The beginning number is up to 10. But it's still important early on in first grade for children to build this fact. So we know that we are beginning with 8. So I might have a context that says there are 8 red fish in the pond. And no red fish swim away. And the question would be, how many fish are still in the pond? And there would, of course, be 8 fish still swimming in the pond. You want students to explain how they know. So they would begin to say, well, I know that there are 8 fish left because no fish swam away. So I always, whenever I'm taking away 0, my answer is always the number that I started with. So it's a very big understanding. Because a related fact would be 8 minus 8. And it's easy early on in first grade or in kindergarten for children to confuse these 2 answers. All right? So again, story problem. There are 8 red fish in the pond. All 8 fish swim away. How many fish are in the pond now? Obviously, there are no red fish left in the pond. But we want them to be able to generalize this understanding to the point to be able to explain, well, whenever the 2 numbers are the same, my answer is always 0. So these are the first 2 strategies in first grade that we reinforce because it's understandings that they did learn and were exposed to in kindergarten. The idea that if I take 0 away, I always get the number that I started with. And if I take away all, I always end up with 0.